E-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services online. With the growth of technology and the internet, it has become easier for individuals and businesses to reach a global audience. In this video, we will be covering the key steps to help you reach your goals and succeed in the digital marketplace. From choosing the right niche to providing excellent customer service, we'll provide valuable insights to help you take your e-commerce business to the next level. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. E-commerce. The pandemic has given the e-commerce sector a boom that hasn't been seen before. Many conventional brick-and-mortar stores have started to provide internet shopping. Because of the intense competition in the e-commerce industry, you should stay current on marketing trends. Having an online presence, including a separate website, is essential. Additionally, you can sell on websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Costco, Etsy, and others. A few fundamental factors significantly affect your e-commerce performance. You must first develop a website or online store that is properly optimized. Use innovative marketing techniques to drive more people to your website. To improve your conversion rate and increase sales, create leads and follow up on them. To give your customers the greatest possible experience, continuously improve your website. You will surely develop as a result of this and achieve regular success. Now, let's look at some of the strategies and tips to keep in mind when selling online. Number 5. Optimization. The best strategy to attract organic traffic to your website is to have an SEO-optimized website. Google is used by consumers to look for products, thus your website needs to be carefully crafted and keyword optimized for Google SEO. Examine crucial elements like the time it takes for pages to load, the use of keyword-rich URLs, the use of chatbots, and the verification that Google has indexed all required pages. To ensure that both desktop and mobile consumers have a positive buying experience, you must make sure that your website is both of these. Because voice search is so convenient, people are utilizing it more and more, therefore optimizing for it is another relatively recent trend that you should adopt. By doing this, you may make sure that your website performs well or tops the search results page on Google, increasing your visibility and attracting more visitors to your website. Number 4. Checkout system on a website. The checkout process on your website or online store should be straightforward and efficient. Payments for transactions shouldn't take customers a long time to complete. Your clients must have access to all practical payment options, including credit, debit cards, net banking, cash on delivery, PayPal, and more. You should have quick alternatives for billing and delivery addresses in your checkout system. It's also highly advantageous to provide your consumers the choice of signing up with Facebook or Google or making purchases as guests. By doing this, you can avoid wasting time and effort on registering and filling out forms on numerous websites. Number 3. Alternatives for individual websites. If you're thinking about getting into the e-commerce business, you should think about selling on well-known e-commerce sites like Amazon, Walmart, and others. You can make money off of their existing consumer base. They make selling on international marketplaces really straightforward. To benefit from an international customer base while selling on these platforms, you must abide by specific rules. One of the biggest online markets is Amazon, which also acts as a search engine for users shopping for products. If you take care of everything, from keyword research to listing optimization to inventory control to executing effective Amazon PPC ads, selling on Amazon may be highly profitable. Isn't that a little scary? You don't need to worry because there are data intelligence platforms like Seller App that provide an extensive array of tools for selling on Amazon, so you can use them. They offer professional assistance every day of the week, 24 hours a day, to help you thrive in your Amazon business. Number 2. Techniques and content for websites. Your website's content must be of a high caliber and be SEO friendly. SEO now extends beyond blog posts and is crucial for product titles, descriptions, and other areas. Amazon merchants, for instance, need to focus on the SEO component of their product listings if they want to stay ahead of the market. One such tool is Seller App, which uses keyword optimization in product listings together with other elements like competitor analysis, listing, index score, and so on to raise a product's organic rankings and visibility on Amazon SERPs. If you run an online store, you should be aware that customers will only visit it if it seems interesting. To make your product listing interesting, you must include excellent photos, clear and succinct descriptions, videos, infographics, and other components. The needs of your target audience must be met. Keep it lighthearted and enjoyable if young people or millennials are your target demographic, and if you can, add references to popular culture trends. Your content should be more educational, precise, and tightly streamlined if your target audience is older. While it is important to research your competition, you must avoid copying or plagiarizing their work. Keep your content's originality and authenticity. Number 1. Use various marketing strategies. There are several ways to market your e-commerce company. Options include social media marketing, affiliate marketing, and influence marketing. By using these marketing techniques, you may interact with clients more directly and explain everything that your brand represents. These are tried and true strategies for increasing website traffic and sales. Because it enables you to reach a bigger customer base, e-commerce is a great way to sell your goods. You may expand and be successful in your e-commerce business by keeping in mind the aforementioned ideas. It's essential to keep up with the most recent SEO strategies and marketing trends when it comes to online sales. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.